Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to connect Google Analytics to GoHighLevel. First, go and open your GoHighLevel and sign in into your account. Once you sign in into your account, here on the bottom left side, you can see the settings. Just tap on it. Then once you go to the settings, you should now go to integrations. So now you will have to connect the Google account that has the analytics account on it. So simply click on sign in with Google account and link your Google account. Then simply click on select account. And here you will find the analytics account that you want to choose. You can even select the property. When you click on select property, you can select which property in this analytics you want to choose it. And you can even choose the MCC account ID. And if you want even to add another Google account, let's say that you have entered one that doesn't has analytics account, you can simply click on sign in with Google again and add another account. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in a new video.